birds! Good morning! It's Jack's birthday. Happy birthday, Jack!
Ma, are you vlogging on
I
posting
do!
it on
Welcome
YouTube?
to my vlog because it's been a long time na wala akong upload. Kaya
I never uploaded.
we're going to capture
We're going
every
to the
moment
Petron.
for today's video. It's Jack's birthday. So let's go. And we're back here at Car Meet Club. Sa mga hindi pa nakapunta dito, dito pala yung mga sports car ha. Sa may 5th Avenue. Kasi dyan kami kakain sa may Wildflower for breakfast. Kaya mag-enjoy na naman si Jack sa mga sports car. Ano meron today? Yan. Hindi ko kilala yan. Si Jack, alam na niya. Wala naman masyado ngayon. Before, ang dami dito ngayon. Kunti na lang. And right here, order lang kami for breakfast. Coffee and some bakeries. Tapos, andyan yung wala naman masyadong sports car ngayon. Ayun, Porsche. Hindi siya masyadong happy kasi nga kunti lang yung sports car. I'm having a beef tapa with suka, syempre, and coffee. Ayun yung food nila. Favorite nila yung dito with egg. Bacon. May tumbler pa rin. Now, we're on our way to Petron, Dasma. Kasi maraming sports car doon. Dito kami dumadaan sa likod. May bibili ng Lamborghini. We are at the showroom. Wala kasing cars doon sa may Petron. Dito na lang kami napunta. Hi, Jack. Jackie Lulu. So shiny. It's closed, Jack, I think. Lunchtime. You're at Paul. My favorite restaurant. Look, all the gadgets are collected. Except mine because I'm taking a video, of course. Okay, we're waiting for the rest of the food. Hi, Jack.
I don't have a phone.
Onion soup, Jack. How is it? Good?
No, it's bad.
I'm having this. Salad finish. Fish and cheese.
What's this?
Lala ka naman yan. Parang hirap ubusin.
Finally.
Finally.
Yes, let's begin.
This is his favorite. Look at the cheese lover boy.
No.
I have no more water.
Next stop, grocery time. Konti lang kasi yung mga kulang lang ng wala dun sa bahay. Like drinks and some snacks. Oh, we are at Decathlon. It's our next stops kasi yung celebrant gusto niya ng bagong bike. Yun yung gusto niyang regalo sa birthday. Parang yan yung nagustuhan niya. Orange. Bye. Ang mamahal din ng mga bike na to, oh. 54,000. Naghahanap kami ng medyo mura lang kay Jack kasi na medyo mataas naman ito masyado. 43, 39. Ito medyo mura. 25. Pero ayaw niya naman to. And pauwi na kami kasi parang uulan na, oh. And that's it for today's video. See you on my next vlog. Bye!